Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. So as you can see from the title, this is another collaboration video, and this time it's Amanda, the nail polish hound. So this is Amanda's first collaboration where she's hosting, and she's done a really good job. She's been very organised. Everyone who's taking part I'll link down below. So this is a Dementia Awareness collaboration. So there'll be a mixture of videos and Instagram posts. If you do want to follow us and join in on Instagram, I'll put the hashtag along the bottom here. So feel free to join in with polish colours or nail art. There are 5 days and the week starts on the 21st of May. You'll be seeing all of the nail art and collaboration pictures across Instagram using that hashtag next week. So I've done the nail polish colours and I've tried to add a little bit of nail art. So let's see how I got on. So the first manicure is Forget Me Not. And what I decided to do was I actually used a few polishes for this. So I used what I thought was a really good Forget Me Not colour. This is Lapis of Luxury, and I actually haven't used this polish for quite a while, so I thought I would break this out. So I actually put this on these 2 nails here. But this is my Forget Me Not blue. And because it wasn't a great formula and it didn't stamp very well, I used Periwinkle, which is a kind of darker Forget-Me-Not colour. There's a range of shades in the Forget-Me-Not family. And this is Periwinkle from H&M. So this is what I used to stamp. And I did that over a white, and I used Zoya Purity. And for the yellow dotting, I used Ada's Nails Banana Smoothie, which is a great saturated kind of banana sunflower yellow. Before we go on to day 2, let me give you some awareness about dementia. Dementia includes Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, vascular dementia. There are different types of dementia, and it affects around about 5% of the population. Of people over the age of 65 will experience dementia. That figure increases to 20% of people over the age of 80 that will experience dementia. So 1 in 5 of us past 80 will experience dementia. Day 2 is grey nail polish or elephant nail art. And this is the only day where I didn't have a go at some nail art, because I don't have any elephant stamping plates and I just couldn't really get creative with this one. But I did choose this polish for the shade. This is the really pretty Change Your Altitude, and I remember the very first time I wore this. It is a grey, but there's a considerable amount of taupe in here as well, so it's a kind of mixture between a grey and a taupe shade, and it just reminded me of elephants. So this is what I'm wearing for day 2, which is grey or elephant nail art. So before we get to day 3, let me give you some more information about dementia. Possible causes are strokes. It's like a series of mini strokes. Alcohol can be a possible cause. The symptoms are it's a progressive decline in your ability to remember, to think, to reason. particularly with vascular dementia, which kind of comes in waves rather than it being a progressive thing, so you can have lucid moments. Let's have a look at day 3, which is a teal, blue, green shimmer or butterfly nail art. So I managed to get both of them this time. I had already painted my nails with this CK1, which is the sea glass. I know that Margaret likes this one. It's a kind of metallic, shimmery turquoise, so it's that mermaidy blue-green, sea blue-green, and this one's called Sea Glass. And I used, to stamp the butterfly, I used Moyu After the Storm. This is one of the best products I've ever had, actually, from Me Box. This is day 3. Before we get to day 4, let me give you some more information. There are treatments for Alzheimer's and dementia. There is medication that can relieve anxiety, and it can help to maintain the levels of neurotransmitters that are kind of working in your brain. There's also complementary therapies like art, music therapy, reminiscence therapy to kind of promote memories. So let's have a look at day 4. So the colour is black and the nail art is jigsaw, and I just wanted to point out these two polishes. I haven't picked this up for a while and I'd forgotten how amazing it is. I didn't record all of the footage, but definitely on my ring finger and my little finger you can see how well this applies as a fantastic one coat black. And this is Boosh from Illamasqua. And just to point out as well that I actually used Zoya Purity, that I didn't realise was going to be such a great stamping polish, a great white stamping polish. So yeah, I was really pleased to discover that Zoya Purity is a great stamper. So here is day 4. I think day 4 was definitely my favourite, at least it was the neatest nail art. So before I finish, I just want to give you a little bit more information about things that you can do to hopefully protect yourself from dementia and Alzheimer's. So some of the things that contribute to protecting yourself are healthy diet, mental activity, so keeping your brain active, also physical activity, and having a social life as well, so mixing and mingling with people and having a good social life. These are the things that can help to prevent dementia. Day 5 is purple or Dementia Awareness ribbon. Now I don't have a stamping plate, a ribbon stamping plate, so I decided to give freehand a go, and this is Jomina, which is the purple that I use. The name's rubbed off it. So I can show you Jomina, and what I did was I tried to freehand a ribbon, which and the polish wasn't quite dry, so I ended up just kind of like dotting it on. But you know, I gave it a go. It's not the neatest, but I definitely gave it a go. So here is day 5. I'm hoping that you enjoyed that. I gave it my best shot. I really am now thinking that I need to get some kind of wildlife, animal, elephant stamping plate, because I just couldn't think of what to do for elephants. So I will be putting my manicures up on Instagram, so you can follow me there. And please check everybody else out. Check out everybody's videos. Show everyone some support, particularly Amanda. She's put a lot of work into this. And yeah, let me know in the comments below, you know, if we want to start a discussion about dementia awareness. It affects so many people and has that ripple effect as well of affecting other members of the family. My husband's grandmother had vascular dementia, which was, I know, extremely difficult for his mother, taking trips backwards and forwards to the hospital to visit a mum, and it's just really disheartening when you can see the memory declining and the lack of reasoning. So it's a horrible disease, and I think we need to be more aware of it, about what the treatments are and how you can protect yourself from the onset. So yeah, that's it for me today. Please check everybody out, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.